So what we've made here is a very low-cost prosthetic hand, but it offers incredibly high functionality. We noticed that there was a gap in the market between these really low-cost, low-functionality devices and the very high-end. So we wanted to offer a device that was much closer to that low-cost devices, but provided those high-end functionalities. And it also has a lot of smart connectivity, so we've made an Android app, and it connects directly to your smartphone, and you can customize all the different things on the device. It's really easy to do, and that's just something that was completely missing in the market of prosthetic hands that we wanted to provide.
So how have you done something better and much cheaper? Without giving away your secret sauce, what have you done?
We've been incredibly motivated. This has only taken us about 4 months, which is quite a lot for that amount of time, and we're all really interested in robotics, especially assistive wearable robotics that will help people, and because of that we've just put in a lot of hard work, all of us, and we've managed to make something really, really useful that can help people.
And how many of you have worked on this?
So there's 5 of us in total, and we're all in our final year at university, and we're all mechanical engineers.
And I presume this is a project that goes towards your final mark in the degree then?
Yeah, this is our final year design project. So this is a large thing that spans all of our final year, and it's an incredibly large project. A lot of work goes into it generally, and it has for us.
And who would use this? Where's the market for this?
The market for this is for people who want to, who don't have the funds for these incredibly high-end devices, these $40,000 sort of prosthetic hands, but want to have that sort of level of functionality. We believe they deserve that, and through our device they can get that.
I hope your patent's gone through, and because it looks like this could have absolute global selling opportunities.
Yeah, we believe so. We have quite a business model set up, and we hope to put that into practice. We believe we can make it into a very true product that can have far-reaching applications. It can reach everyone around the world, and we want that to be the case.
And what's the £2,500 prize going to go on? A big party or investment to do more marketing?
No, it's going to be further development. We want to develop the product to a beta stage, and then after beta testing, so after we've used it with real-world users of the device, real-world customers, we want to have a market-ready device which we can use to seek further funding, at which point we can create an actual business out of this. We can start selling it and go commercial.
And what does it mean to win an award like this at an event like this?
Oh, it's a massive achievement to us. There's all these large companies here that we hope to work for maybe someday, and it's a great achievement to be among them, among all these amazing robotics, with our what we feel is quite modest, but has actually turned out to be quite a large achievement for us.